Hi friends, it's Miss Kelly and an itsy bitsy spider. Will you sing with me today? This is a song about the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Can we do more? Can we do more singing? Here it comes. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Good singing. Keep it up. I'm so proud of you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.